Ella theme. This is our go-to choice for fashion stores. Whenever we get a client who wants to design their fashion or clothing store, we recommend this theme to them. Ella theme is like having a fashion-forward boutique online. It offers a modern and stylish design, complete with eye-catching visuals and customizable features. With its responsive layout and intuitive navigation, Ella theme ensures your customers have a seamless shopping experience. More than 37,000 store owners are using this theme, and it has got over 1,100 positive reviews. It contains more than 50 pre-made templates and child themes that you can directly import on your Shopify store. Since more than 50% of all e-commerce sales are coming from mobile devices, it's important to use a theme that is fully mobile optimized. Luckily, Ella theme provides mobile-first designs with advanced mega menu and filter options, not to mention the advanced product page features it contains. Since these features are included in the theme itself, you don't need to add extra apps and lines of codes into your store, which ultimately results in a fast and smooth online store. We are still using this theme for designing fashion stores for our clients, and will keep using it in the future as well. We really like its affordability and customer support, and we highly recommend it to every fashion brand. By the way, I have already created a detailed tutorial on how to set up a branded Shopify store using the Ella theme in just 30 minutes. So, if you are interested, simply click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.